If you've ever wanted to create AI images directly inside Messenger, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it using Meta AI. It's super easy to use, and you can generate fun or realistic images just by describing what you want to see. So, let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Give it a second to load up, and then, at the very top of the screen, tap on the search bar. Type in Meta AI, and from the search results, open the chat that says Meta AI. Once you're inside the chat, you'll see the regular message box at the bottom. That's where you'll type your prompt. Now, be as descriptive as you can. For example, you could write something like, generate a photo of a cute cat wearing sunglasses on the beach. When you're happy with your prompt, just tap the send button. Meta AI will process your request for a few seconds, and then your generated image will appear right in the chat. If you want to make small changes, like adding a background, changing colors, or adjusting the style, you can simply reply with another instruction, and Meta AI will refine the image for you. And when you've got the result you like, tap and hold on the image, and choose Save Image to download it to your phone. That's all there is to it. You can now use Messenger to create unique AI-generated photos anytime you want. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe for more quick tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.